Yeah, hello. Once again, welcome back, and it's great to be on your screens again. I have four questions I want us to look at quickly, and then today I promise to bring you a historical content, and so we are going to delve a bit into history after this mathematics class. So the history is just about the ARPS, that is Aborigines Rights Protection Society, which which was formed in the year 1897. I can see you are interested in that particular story, and so watch out for the history class. Thank you. Yeah, so our first mathematical question is that if t is equal to square root of if t is equal to square root of p minus r on p plus r, we should find r in terms of p and t. We should find r in terms of p and t. And so finding r in terms of p and t in this context simply means that we are supposed to make r the subject. And so to make r the subject from here, we know this is the same as all this to the power 1 over 2. And so to get rid of the square root, we square both sides. And so we have this situation now. Now we want to make r stand alone, and so cross multiplication would do over here. And then from the cross multiplication, we are getting t squared p plus a t squared r is equal to p minus r. Since we want to make r the subject, anything without r should go to the other side. Anything with r should stay here. And so from here we have t squared r plus r, and then this is going to be p minus t squared p. We are interested in making r the subject, and so factorization r out, t squared here, and then a plus 1 here, a p minus t squared also here, all over t squared plus 1. So either r is equal to p minus t squared p all over t squared plus 1, or this can also be expressed as p into bracket 1 minus t squared all over t squared plus 1. Yes, you can either write it this way or this way. Now we've been asked to find the value of r when t is equal to 3 and p is equal to 10. We should find the value of r. And so r is going to be, p is given as 10, t as 3, and then this also 10 again. So either you use this, which is 10 into brackets 1 minus 9 all squared, or however, so this is going to be t is 3 squared plus 1. R is equal to 10 minus 9, 9 times 10, 90 all over 10. Now this is going to be minus 80 on 10, which is equal to minus 8. And so the value of r is equal to minus 8 when we have all this, and then t is equal to 3 with p also being equal to 10. This is what we get. We quickly go to the second question, which also reads that if 3m minus n on 5m minus n is equal to p over q, we are to express m in terms of p, q, and then n. And so we are supposed to make m the subject. In making m the subject, we just go by maybe more or less a similar approach. Here there is no square root, there is no square, and so we cross multiply from here. From cross multiplication, we get our 5m minus n multiplying p. which now becomes 5mp minus 3np is equal to 3mq minus nq. We are making m the subject. Anything containing m should be at either left side or the right side. I prefer the right side. And then anything without the m should go to the other side. So this becomes positive np minus nq. I'm making m the subject, and so I factor out. Here I can also factor out n. And then from here, I divide through by p minus 3q. So I can now conclude that m is equal to n into brackets p minus q all over 5p minus 3q. So this is what I get for expressing m in terms of p, q, and then n. Alright. We quickly go to the third question. Today, three of the questions are all about change of subject, and substitution. The last question is a bit different, but more or less the same. Yeah. So question three also says that if t is equal to wp, open bracket, m squared minus m minus s all squared, then we have to express m in terms of t, wp, and then s. And so the approach to this, the same thing. Wherever we need to expand, we do that. Expanding this m squared, this ms, so times 2 ms plus s squared, like this, but this is in a bracket. And then from here, the minus is supposed to affect everything. So from here, the brackets, the negative affects this, making it a minus. And so this away. And then this becomes a plus. This becomes a minus, like this. I have t, wp, 2ms minus s squared. I've been asked to make m the subject. So I expand wp or 2ms wp minus s squared. From here, because I have been asked to make m the subject, I move this inside. 2ms wp is equal to t plus s squared. I want to make m the subject, so 2swp, 2swp. M is equal to t plus s squared all of 2swp. So this is what we get for making m the subject from these two situations. Now we go to the last question. Now remember the last question says, given that 4 on 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 2 on 3 plus 6 on 5y, we should find the value of x plus y. And so what we are going to do here is to try as much as possible to make sure we get either the value of x or the value of y. Sorry, either the value of x and y separately. When we are done, we add the two of them, or we can get a situation where we can factor x plus y out. Yes, that is what we have to be looking forward to. So because we have a fractional part, we look out for the LCM, which is 15, multiply through by 15. And so this is going to be and so 15 goes here, 5 here 1, 5 here 3, 3 4, 12x, 30y, 3 here 1, 3 here 5, minus 10 plus 5 here 1, 5 here 3, 18y. There is y here, there is y here. Bring this y to this side. 12x plus 30y minus 18y is equal to minus 10. 12x plus 12y is equal to minus 10. So from here I can see you are getting to know what is going to happen from here. I factor 12 out. I'm left with x plus y is equal to minus 10. From here, because I want to make x plus y the subject, divide through by 12. And then this gives us minus 10 on 12, which is minus 5 on 6. And so the final answer for this is minus 5 on 6. And so this has been the mathematical section. Looking forward to bringing you the historical session in a jiffy. Thank you so much, and then do share and then subscribe so that you can share to other people, then they can also have access to some of these relevant contents. Thank you.